Hi everyone, we're going to make some raspberry jam without pectin, and today we're going to use some fresh raspberries. You can also use frozen, some sugar, lemon juice, and salt. So in a deep pot, saucepan, you want to use a thick bottom and add all the ingredients in here, and make sure you have some space in the air because it will rise, so you don't want the bubbles to come out of your pot. So make sure it's pretty deep. And so we're gonna cook this over medium-high heat, and you're gonna have all these bubbles come, and it's okay. You don't want to worry about now until the end. See how it's like now it has cooked. Now it's like a darker color, and it's more like a lava kind. Then you want to remove the foam. Have your cans ready and your bottle caps. So I take some of the juices and I remove the seeds by straining it. Then put it into your pot. And so this is already after. So let the jam cool completely in the hot glass and the hot liquid go in there, and then let it cool completely, and then I freeze it. That's the best thing you can do, the best flavor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see